Norfolk Public Schools' Career and Technical Education Department partnered with the Aviation Institute of Maintenance to give our middle school students the opportunity to attend the Fly Norfolk Camp. This unique program enabled students to learn about all aspects of the aviation industry on site from the Institute's instructors through a variety of hands-on activities and guest speakers.
Just to give them an opportunity to see a whole nother career path for them, because options are always a good thing, and especially during COVID times where things are opening up and maybe not all the way open, this gives students from Norfolk Public School System an opportunity to be in a safe place, learn, and also have a lot of fun.
They come and show you that this is a career field that you can get into, and it's not that hard to get into as long as you're willing to try, right? So once they give you that aspect of it, and then they give you literally the breakdown of how you do certain things, the excitement just kind of boosts in the kids' head, and then they just want to learn more from there.
On the last day of camp, students celebrated with staff and their parents all that they had learned. And they also got tips on how to fly a drone through an obstacle course from an expert.
It's been very fun. I learned a lot of things like hands-on. We're playing with metal and made picture frames and stuff. You can make a career out of this. I didn't know you could make a whole living out of just flying drones and making videos. So that was very interesting to learn.
I love it because they not only that they come home very, very excited from what they learned that day, they actually came inspired. They came home inspired. It wasn't just a summer camp. It wasn't a summer school. It was more like, okay, we're having fun, we're working, but we're having fun and we're learning. And it just kind of opened up a wide opportunities in their head, like, okay, so now I have options that I can do in the future.